Folks, my name is Shanti Kumar V. I do the following. 1. Coaching on cloud architect solutions with proof of concept based projects for Cloud/DevOps engineers. 2. If you are capable to invest daily 2 to 3 hours of time for your future or sustainability in IT field, contact for solutions. 3. Please note, this is for hardworking global IT professionals only. 4. Contact to rebuild your IT career for AWS and DevOps services as per your client role needs. Fix up appointment with LinkedIn connection. My profile URL is www.linkedin.com/in/scummery-practices. 5. Rebuild your IT career without pink slips even in dreams in this competent IT world. Through experienced coaches mentors. Make IT employers to run behind you. Not you get the pink slips in your IT lifetime. 6. I wrote many blogs and developed videos. My YouTube channel is Shanti Kumar V. For AWS and DevOps mentoring blogs videos contacts visit https://fskumar.blog/. 7. If you use my WhatsApp hash +91 to 8,885,504,679. Please mention your name, LinkedIn profile name to connect with you to know your profile better. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck in your Cloud and DevOps IT career.
Slide 2, let us see in this video, I would like to bring to your notice the following. How network engineer fired from the cloud engineer position? This is the interview outcome with one of the cloud engineers, naming as CE2, who got fired from an IT company. The reasons and his background was discussed as below. The CE1 was a competent network engineer with CCNA advanced level certifications. And he designed the networks and implemented with his past employers. In the last few years he has been attending many screen-based training programs in AWS and its DevOps. 6 months back he joined a company as cloud engineer by stating that he learned the skills through the trainings and looking for full-time cloud engineer position. The employer accepted him and gave the tasks. What kind of tasks he got? Is he comfortable to deliver them on time? Do you think still he learned some more skills? Let us see them in the following slides. The employer accepted him and gave the following tasks. He need to design the existing networks in AWS and deploy in different regions. And some of them need to be peered. He need to develop the IAC code along with the task 1. But he is scared on writing the code. As per his background he never wrote code in his past organizations. And after joining only he came to know on the IAC development. During the interview he was not told on these tasks. He felt he can manage the show with his training skills. Another task is as below. He need to create different EC2 machines with different configurations in each region. He need to configure some of them as DB servers. They do not use the serverless computing services like RDS. These skills he is not aware. Need to learn and do. As he did not work on DB in the past. But he has very little time to learn and prove on the job. What are the other tasks he got? Let us see in the next slide. Slide 4. They have given him some build to deploy in different VPCs. These are different copies of e-commerce sites. Where he need to connect with DNS, ELB, Outscale, use RUA53 and connect to CloudWatch dashboard for monitoring. He felt these are the complex tasks for him, even some of them he did in the past. But towards deployment he never worked in the past. He knows the DevOps process. But he has done only the screen operations as per the great and popular trainers advise. He felt that is all going to be in live. But when he saw the given tasks in DevOps, he got confused and got tense on them. For all the above tasks there is defined schedule with A. Tracking the initiation, B. Issues, C. Costing on each of them. He consulted many of his cloud and DevOps seniors, they also felt the similar situation. In fact, they felt as we all learnt from the top-notch training companies and we felt these are the only activities we need to do. But in reality the project is different. The cloud setups are different. Now, CE2 is thinking what to do to cope up with the deliver of these planned tasks. He is not getting any thoughts except on VPC creation of manual activity. So, what happened during the review calls? Let us see in the next slide. Slide 5. Finally, the review calls are happening to track his activities by the PMs and the CIOs, along with his other CE colleagues. His other colleagues were on tasks complete stage for demos. He failed to report them as completed. They have given to him few more days to come back with completion status. He took that grace period also, but failed to show the delivery. What the management has done? The management got surprised, he being the IT professional and not able to complete task. In reality, the management is under short time schedule to complete the cloud conversion activity towards saving the budget for the business people on IT. His case was handed over to HR to evaluate. What the HR has done? During the HR evaluation, he revealed his current stage and accepted the fault. Then, the HR issued the pink slip as per the management desire. Finally, C2 is on roads and with big tents on his IT future. Let you see the lessons learned by this CE2 in the next slide. Slide 6. So, what are the lessons learned by CE2? He felt the cloud and DevOps technology and processes are entirely different from his past roles. And the attended trainings are not useful in live. He would have taken a job-oriented training and coaching before he tried for jobs. And he would have done some live similar tasks, before trying for the job. He feels hectic competition is there in the job market due to 60 to 70% profiles are fake. This is apart from proxy calls, and the HRs are selling the jobs offline to bring fake people to the company. He felt this is the gap we all have in the current situation towards trying for new technology job. We need to be technical savvy to prove in the interviews and get an offer. Our past learning curve was very nominal. And the project requirement is purely on technical aspects. Now we need to spend in a day 4 to 6 hours of time towards learning these skills and prove for delivery. These are apart from the project tracking calls and the client calls. We also need to coordinate for many things. The total job effort hours are required around 16 per day if we keep learning hours also. And there are no mentors who can direct us. These are his and his friends' feelings. Finally, he said if a sound mentor is there towards making me to build the similar to live tasks, our life make it easier to continue in IT. Otherwise the future is in dark and we cannot work in any other fields except in IT. So, folks, these are the outcome of our discussion. Hence you guys learn and go for the job. Without knowing on the tasks doing if anybody joins blindly, it can happen the same way. The laid off people feel companies have two tracks, A, hiring, B, firing the non-performers to save their IT costing. We need to understand in the current IT's massive cost-cutting stage, every company feel they are not supposed to bear the non-skilled professionals even for a week's payslip. In IT companies cost-cutting is like a rapid-fire activity. Hence once he is not proved on the job tasks, the pink slip will be served faster by the HR folks. So, one need to do self-evaluation on their fitment, for not only getting the offer and also need to think on how to survive on the job. Folks, these are the experiences I would like to share to you during my calls with the globally laid off people. Come back to me if you need any help or support. Please follow the rules mentioned below to connect and book a scheduled call. Thanks for watching this discussion video. If you need any help, let me know. See the below slide details. We wish you good luck in your learning and moving forward for future bright IT career.